Namaskar. Welcome to How to. Namaskar. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about this Realme Smart Wi-Fi LED bulb, that how you can easily set up this device in your home using your mobile phone. So it's not very hard, but it's become hard because if you find out these type of big literature into user manual of your device and you do a PhD on your smart Wi-Fi LED bulb, then that's easy to go watch the video and learn how to set up this device. So watch the video till the end and learn how to do and set up your Realme Smart LED bulb. First of all, if you want to read the detail, you can read from over here, and if you want to install the app, this QR code you can scan easily and easily download the app. The app is called Realme Link. You have to install that. First of all, you have just install that bulb onto your electricity connection that you can easily handle, and after that you have to just 5 times on and off for 2 to seconds, and after that it will go into this breathing condition, and after that easily you can do this setup this device. I'm going to just opening that app right now, that is Realme Link, and open this or install this Realme Link. After that you have to just give all the permissions that it will ask, and after that you have to just choose the country from where you are. In my scenario I'm from India, and you have to just click on this next button. After that you have to just give permissions, and I know, click on I know, and after that you have to just click on this plus icon over here. After that you will be asked about your account details, I mean your login details. You can easily log in by your mobile phone and getting a code on your mobile phone and entering that, and click on this sign in. Otherwise you want to log in via your password, you can easily do so via your password. And if you don't have account, you have to just click on this register an account, and after that you have to just choose your country from your mobile number or enter your verification code that you click on this get, and after that you receive that, and after that you have to enter the email address, enter your password, and after that you have to just click on this I have read the permissions, this tick box, and click on this register button. Now what we have to do and how we can do, I'm just in my scenario I'm just registered account, and I'm just going to getting my code on my mobile number, and I'm just clicking on this get code. I'm going to enter 825154 and click on this sign in button over here. As you can see, sign in button over here. I have been logged into my account. After that you have to just click on this, after login into your account you have to just click on this plus icon, and you will show up like devices like this. And if you see scanned devices over here, you can easily choose from that. Otherwise you have to just choose the device option from here, that which device you are using. In my scenario I'm using this light. Click on this light, and after that you will see all the lights, and click on that light you are using right now. I'm going to choose that, click on this got it, and it show you the Wi-Fi, and you have to enter the Wi-Fi password. Click on this next icon, and it's saying that you have to reset this device for 5 times, switch on and off, and it will go in this breathing mode. That means it's just taking breathe over there. Click on the I have read tick over here, and click on this next button over here, and it's showing like this. Your device will show up like this over here, and you have to choose that device. When you click on this device, 1 second, it's connecting. It's take a little bit of time. As you can see, the light is blinking over there, and it will stop blinking when it's get connected. Now it has been connected. Before that it's saying that please change the Wi-Fi to Realme Lite Wi-Fi setup, and choose that device Wi-Fi over here, connect it to that, go back, and it's connecting right now. connecting to the network. After that your device will be set up and you can easily control via your mobile phone. Just you can tap this off button, you can easily off the device and click on this. Again it will switch on the device. You can decrease the brightness, you can increase the brightness, you can change the color, temperature from over here. If you like this video about this Realme Smart LED bulb, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.